Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you very special soup. So guys can see this thing. This melon, that's egusi. Can see the way I mold it and I cook it. I want to use it inside ogbono soup, village ogbono soup. How we prepare ogbono in the village. You can also use it inside our village soup called okoho. So if you want to enjoy your ogbono soup in the village, you mold egusi like this, cook it. I'll explain how I take mold it and get it like this. You first of all grind your egusi. You grind it from machine. Don't add water. Grind it. Put it in the sun to dry it. Then the sun dry it. You grind it inside machine. After you grind the egusi inside machine, you now pour it in a bowl. Add red oil. Red oil, that is palm oil. Add it. Wash your hand very well. Don't use spoon to mix it. Wash your hand very well. Then you started mashing the egusi inside the bowl. Started mashing it with the palm oil. Then after some time, you take warm water, add inside small. You started mashing it again. You mash it till the thing will hold yourself. After the thing hold together, you add little hot water again. Don't add cold water, if not the egusi will scatter. Add hot water, then started mashing it again. You mash it very well. Then you see it will draw. After you draw, put your water in the fire. Allow the water to boil. Then you use your hand or spoon to be cutting it small and be adding inside the water like this. Cutting it as if you are doing akara. Cutting it small and be adding it inside the water. Then you see it how to come out like this, to not scatter. But if you didn't press it well, if you put it inside the water, the thing will scatter. The thing will turn to egusi soup. But when you mash it very well, the thing will come out to hold like this, to not scatter inside the water. So after you cut it, put it inside the water, you leave it like 10 to 15 minutes. Then inside it, you season the water, you season it. You add your Maggi season, add pepper, add salt, then you leave it to done. So after the thing done very well, you now pack it inside the water. Like this one now is done. If you want to know how you done, you carry one, you cut, then you see the inside that is done. You can see now. Then after you don't prepare your soup like this is my ogbono soup. After you don't prepare your soup, whether okoho or ogbono soup, you now pack some inside. You can see. Now put it inside your soup. When you put it, make pounded yam or semo or wheat or anything. You can see. Very yummy. Make your swallow and balance and eat. You enjoy the soup very well. So inside the ogbono, not only ogbono and okoho, you use this egusi inside. Can't use it in okra, another soup. Only ogbono soup or okoho soup. Guys, okoho is our village soup. So after you put it like this, inside the ogbono, I have dry fish, crayfish, and cow meat, and pepper, just like when they prepare soup. I prepare my ogbono, then make egusi and put inside as a garnishing. Then the only thing you do now is make your swallow, your fufu. Can make pounded yam, can make semo, can make wheat, can make amala or garri, anyone. Then you balance and eat your food, belle food. So in my village, if you have visitor, prepare this kind of food to that visitor. That visitor is a special visitor, be that. So I did pack am all. I remain some wey I will use for another time because it's hard to do. So you can't just do it and finish it once. You use it, you can keep it in the fridge and keep it. Even like this, you can even eat it without even put it, can even eat it. See am. Can eat it like this too. It's very yummy. So that is all for village soup. That's how we prepare village soup in the village. So I just show you guys how I prepare my village soup, ogbono soup. It's not okpoho because I know say okpoho is my village soup, but this ogbono wey I prepare, ogbono is my village soup also. I know ogbono is a general soup, but my village can prepare ogbono more than any other soup. So it's just a simple menu. Prepare your ogbono, make your egusi. We call it egusi seed. Can say it's egusi seed. Make your egusi seed, put it inside your ogbono. You enjoy the food. So that is all for my village soup. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share to your loved ones. We meet again in my next video. I love you all. Bye.